So how to use a web font in an email. This is of course not, it works not in all email clients, but in some of them. So let's see how we can do that. Go to the web page, go to fonts, upload any TrueType font or any other font here. That should appear now in the list down here, and this font is called Welcome. So what we do to make it available in email, we copy out the font face declaration here. We go to add custom font, type in welcome as a font family, and embed the CSS here. So since this is HTML, we need to put a style tag around it and paste it in here. And we need to set email fallback. Don't forget this one. Fine. So after doing that, we go back to our email. And in the email, we already see that this font is working, since we can now select this font from the list of the available fonts. So that's all what it takes. Thank you.